Saving plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom due to several reasons, linked by the impact it has on various aspects of our financial well-being. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Boss English. For those joining us for the first time, I primarily focus on two aspects: sharing insights on effective personal finance management and drawing from my life experiences. I encourage you to visit the Boss English YouTube channel regularly and subscribe to access a plethora of insightful, free content. Let's dive into today's topic together. In this session, I'll delve into a crucial aspect of our lives: salaries, or more broadly, the primary sources of income during our working years. In contemporary society, apart from a small minority of business owners and individuals enjoying passive income, the majority of us rely on monthly wages. Salaries serve as a common thread in modern life. Money, as we all know, significantly influences our quality of life and often dictates pivotal decisions such as career choices. Our livelihoods and careers play an immense role in shaping our lives. Furthermore, income directly impacts critical facets of our lives, including family well-being and raising children. Hence, salaries hold paramount importance. However, upon reflection, many individuals lack a clear understanding of salaries or how to manage them effectively. One might ask, what's complicated about salaries? It's merely the compensation we receive after each month of work, right? But this surface-level understanding often leads us to overlook the true essence of salaries. Consequently, we miss out on formulating an effective financial plan. Today, I aim to offer some insights that may help you gain a more realistic perspective on salaries, a pivotal factor in our lives. Billionaire Kevin Allery once said, "Salary is an opiate given to you to forget your dreams." This statement, when interpreted, underscores how societal pressures often coax us into abandoning our dreams in favor of financial security. These dreams could encompass pursuing our passions, leading a life free from financial dependence, or engaging in work we genuinely love. The societal narrative persuades us to ignore these dreams by highlighting external risks. It encourages conformity, perform well, stay put, and receive just enough money for basic necessities. This scenario resembles the constraints placed on circus animals: perform well, and you'll be rewarded; fail, and you face consequences. Similarly, in the corporate world, not meeting expectations leads to job loss, or worse, company bankruptcy, resulting in job cuts. So how can we break free from this cycle and truly live our lives? In my opinion, it begins with a mindset shift. We must transition from perceiving salaries as secure and stable to understanding that they are, in fact, vulnerable and subject to various risks. Relying entirely on a monthly salary puts our lives at the mercy of external factors we cannot control. Instead, acknowledging that this income stream is unstable prompts us to diversify and transition from active income earned through work to passive income that continues regardless of our daily efforts. Let's briefly distinguish between active and passive income. Active income entails trading time and effort for money, whereas passive income generates earnings independently of our direct input. The initial step involves using the active income from salaries to cultivate passive income streams. For instance, a programmer can create and sell applications that generate continuous income, eventually supplementing their salary. This passive income starts as a small portion of total earnings but gradually grows, potentially matching or even surpassing the active income. I often share a formula. When income from a side job doubles the salary income, it's a signal to consider a change. However, decisions to transition should consider various factors, such as financial stability and opportunities for growth or learning. The ultimate goal is not to settle for a job providing a salary, but to see it as a stepping stone toward generating passive income. This transition frees us from the reliance on a monthly paycheck. Many employers aim to keep their employees dependent on the paycheck. However, my perspective, shaped by managing businesses in Australia and the United States, prioritizes sincerity and mutual value in the employee-employer relationship. I encourage employees to build their passive income streams and provide support, even if it involves side businesses or YouTube channels, as long as it doesn't compromise their primary work. I believe that employees should gain more than just a salary from their association with my company. I refrain from using manipulative tactics to retain employees. Instead, I focus on offering as much value as possible. The outcome has been positive, as some employees, even after achieving financial freedom, chose to stay with me for reasons beyond monetary benefits. I share these insights in the hope that it prompts a shift in perspectives regarding salaries and the goals of our work. This revised version maintains the essence of your original content, while refining the flow and clarity for improved readability. Why is saving money so important to the path of financial freedom? Saving plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom due to several reasons, linked by the impact it has on various aspects of our financial well-being. Firstly, having savings establishes an emergency fund, providing a safety net for unforeseen financial crises. With an emergency fund in place, individuals are less likely to rely on high-interest debt when faced with unexpected expenses, thus preventing financial setbacks. Moreover, savings form the cornerstone for future investments. By consistently saving and then allocating these savings into various investment opportunities, the money grows over time. Regular saving and investing lead to compounding growth, aiding in wealth building, and contributing to long-term financial security. Not only does saving offer security during emergencies, but it also fosters financial independence. By saving diligently, individuals reduce their reliance on external financial support, empowering them to make decisions aligned with their goals and dreams. Additionally, savings play a critical role in retirement planning. Regular contributions to retirement accounts ensure preparedness for post-working years, maintaining a desired lifestyle and offering peace of mind. Furthermore, having savings provides financial flexibility, enabling individuals to seize opportunities without incurring substantial debt. Whether pursuing higher education, starting a business, or making a significant purchase, savings offer the freedom to explore such possibilities. Savings also help in managing cyclical fluctuations in income or expenses. For individuals facing irregular income or seasonal expenses, having savings can smooth out these fluctuations, ensuring stability. Finally, financial security through savings contributes to reduced stress and peace of mind. It offers a sense of security, knowing that one is prepared for unforeseen circumstances and can navigate economic challenges without severe financial strain. In conclusion, saving is the bedrock of financial freedom. Its multifaceted impact lies in providing a financial safety net, enabling investments, fostering independence, supporting retirement planning, offering flexibility, managing financial fluctuations, and providing peace of mind. Regular and disciplined saving habits form a critical element in achieving and sustaining long-term financial security and independence. Focusing on jobs that generate passive income is paramount due to several reasons, linked by the myriad advantages it brings to one's financial stability and long-term prospects. Primarily, engaging in endeavors that create passive income offers financial security and stability. Unlike traditional jobs that pay only when actively working, passive income continues to flow even when not directly engaged, allowing for a consistent stream of revenue. Furthermore, passive income offers flexibility, enabling individuals to create multiple income streams and diversify their earnings. This versatility provides a safety net, reducing the impact of potential income disruptions from a single source. Moreover, jobs generating passive income demand upfront effort and investment, but once established, they often require less ongoing work. This time leverage allows individuals to have more freedom and pursue other interests, contributing to a better work-life balance. In addition, passive income endeavors often involve residual income, where an initial effort continues to generate revenue over time. This residual income can lead to a more secure financial future, providing a cushion for unexpected expenses and fostering long-term wealth accumulation. Furthermore, passive income offers a pathway to financial independence. By generating income streams that are not solely reliant on active work, individuals can break free from the limitations of trading time for money and pave the way for a more autonomous lifestyle. Passive income is also a means to build wealth. Over time, these income streams grow and accumulate, allowing for investment in more significant opportunities, thereby contributing to overall financial growth and prosperity. Moreover, in an ever-evolving job market, the ability to adapt and create passive income sources provides resilience against economic uncertainties. Diversification in income streams offers a level of protection against market fluctuations and job insecurities. In conclusion, focusing on jobs that generate passive income is crucial for financial stability, flexibility, and long-term growth. The advantages lie in the consistent revenue, flexibility, time leverage, residual income, financial independence, wealth building, and resilience against market uncertainties. By pursuing these income avenues, individuals can secure a more stable and prosperous financial future.